Welcome to Archiesense. This project uses the courtyard as the main element of the design, inspired by the location and the traditional architecture of the surrounding area. The courtyard becomes the core of the building structure, referring to the traditional sheepfold in Vigla, which consists of a simple rectangular volume with a small courtyard connecting the interior space to the outside to expand the functions. Vigla's location exposed to strong winds presented a design challenge relevant to the use of the courtyard. The courtyard around the building not only creates formal coherence but also acts as a wind shield, allowing the narrow interior space to be expanded to the wider outside area efficiently and economically. Following a simple design logic, each element of the project is realized as a rectangular volume directly connected to the courtyard without any secondary circulation. The openings between and through these volumes are designed to create a direct relationship between the courtyard and the surrounding landscape. The main materials used come from the site itself, with stone from the excavation of the foundations and the rainwater tank. These materials are combined with concrete elements to create a simple and mineral architectural language, emphasizing the horizontality of the building and the unity between the structure and the courtyard. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.